Hello. Oh gosh, it's loud. Gosh, hell. Typical the microphone was off again, and we're starting again. But anyway, welcome back to CarX Part 3, Part 294 on the Defnation CB account. Yay, finally after 4 days or 3 days, and yeah, whatever. Need a little, so I'll be right back. It's always the setup for YouTube pissing me off. It takes all the times 5 minutes. Also, especially because actually these descriptions I just deleted. But I say I try string X, I just did instead of string C the last time. So hold on a sec. Need to drip another live stream from 4 days ago or something. Shush your mouth, Microsoft. This one. Complete day was covered actually with nosebleed on the construction side. Wonderful. Nice. Hey, did they change right now CarX the game title? Let's see. Highway racing. Drift racing. No, they didn't. So we don't know what we're playing. Actually, it is CarX Drift Racing Online. We don't have. YouTube, you stinks completely. So, let me see. Was the last one? It wasn't here. Did I just did that in here? Yeah, no, not really. I didn't do as well in here. Okay, next one. Excuses. Did that in here? No. Okay. Maybe 291. Let's see. Here we go. So since the last free live stream, I couldn't actually do my description actually because I didn't found it in my drunkenness. There we go. So you get finally in here first. Boom. And you're also going back in here. Boom. Thank you very much. Where are you? Oh gosh. Come on closer. 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 Here we go. Safety's motherfucker. There we go. Right, save. Good. Done. Please no nosebleed again or something, I hate that shit. That's weird right now on YouTube. I found out if you just actually live stream something and you just have 20 watchers in all these 4 hours, and you see actually the next day you just was getting 20 watchers, but it is actually 24 then. A week later, I have only done I'm Need for Speed Heat. Hey, I am not. Fuck, is this any shit, Alter? And the next week later you have 1 watcher then. And 2 weeks later, 0 watchers. So exactly what just happened then? Fucking crack, right? So let's see if I'm actually trending here on CarX. And it says, yes, I am in here, but still playing actually in the same time Need for Speed Heat. Because YouTube is too stupid and too retarded actually to, do a game title out of CarX Drift Racing Online from 2017. They deleted it for 2 weeks ago again. So that is, I'm so sorry for that one. If you're just actually thinking this is Need for Speed Heat, it is not. Even it stands here in CarX Part. So YouTube, you stinks and sucks. Seriously. For actually the game title, we can actually prove and just, change by ourselves. Somebody is in here all the time changing that, and I don't know what kind of a fool this is. Too much thinking with the nose into the glue or something, I don't know. Alright. Now I just want to put up actually my sound core There's a sound correction earplugs with Spotify music. And then I think we can start. If my nosebleed actually is over or not. I don't care. Brain soup plus blood. Yeah. Come on, if I'm snotting, it's getting worse all the times. Then you want a full snot and then the nosebleed starts up again. So last day I just was activating the console for just a couple of minutes. And it just saying me actually this Killing Floor 2, you know, just is there. That 1.78 update. I tried to find today actually these hotfix stuff, nothing I found. And I found out actually, I saw that trailer already on the Killing Floor 2, better say Killing Floor 3 I mean. And yeah, it's fantastic, blah blah blah, here and there. And what I see, PlayStation 5 only. And PC, so it's Xbox in actually the future as well then. So I saw then myself actually coming running actually to a PlayStation 5 because Metal Gear Solid 3, Killing Floor 3, maybe a Silent Hill, and Resident Evil of course, and the remake. I'm not sure if they're making a remake for the PlayStation 4, you know, or is it next year or 2 years? That's so bullshit, you know. In 3 or 5 years, or maybe yeah, in 5 years definitely. In 5 years the PlayStation 6 comes out. So what kind of a shit is this all the times, right? It pisses me off. They couldn't actually regulate actually these with the PlayStation 5 with the HDD hard drive, right? You had to buy some chips or something. This crack. I don't want to play on computer system. It's complicated to live stream. It's too complicated to connect each other. Then it's Steam. Then it's your kind of I don't really do not know what you're using then, TeamSpeak, or should I redo Skype then better, or what the hell then? So I think this is my last console forever, and I just give a fuck. Because if the PlayStation 6 comes out and a remake from Uncharted or something shit came from PlayStation 2 and PlayStation 3 then come on, what the hell? I think this is my last console anyway. Yeah, definitely actually. When the PlayStation 6 is out, and I wait then a year because of nonsense anyway, because all the times when the console came out, no games came with. Only cheap games. All the remakes already. But no good title for it, right? I saw that on PlayStation 4. I was playing Need for Speed, Rivals? I think Rivals? That was 2013, over the December to January. And 2014 I just leave it again, 1.5 years actually in the corner, because there was no good game out there. There was only the demo version of Metal Gear Solid Zero Grounds, or Ground Zero, Zero Grounds I think. And so I thought, what the fuck, that is all? Cheap games, but 10 euros or something came out, and fuck you, you know, this is kind of, is that all we have? Man. So I decided to play actually 1.5 years actually the PlayStation 3 again. And that's will be the same on the PlayStation 5, right? So and after it just came out, it was outsold, you know, it just was not there for me anymore. On the internet, something maybe for $1,000 or something. Fuck off then again. And Panamanic games and all these stuff. So it's on the 6 the same, right? This is bullshit crack. Just forget about it. Just don't buy it. Buy it a year later. You have perfectly actually 5-6 good games. Cheaper anyway, with DLCs, content, and shit. This is so better actually as the rest of the crack. So, yeah. Soda burn right now. Soda burn. Soda burn. What's that? Soda burn? Is that even a word? First nosebleed. I'm hungry as shit. I'll be playing the Need for Speed Heat. Be playing CarX. Okay, whatever. Thank you, YouTube. You're just an asshole. What kind of a car we want to do today? Well, mostly I just want to go online as well then. A hard situation all the times in my pants to do. There's so many cars I didn't actually tuned. because I have DjVolgin account running, and after actually a 1.5 year playing that game on a DefRekka account, lost my account for 2 years, a good 2 years now. Yeah, 2 years and a quarter. And so I started with DjVolgin new, and the last year, meanwhile, I just started this DevNation CB account as well, side by. I don't want to tune anymore this stuff, you know, it's just so boring. I was getting so many, you know, stuff into DefRekka account that I was even bored on DjVolgin, and here right now it's getting worse then. Hold on. I think I was saying actually the weather condition is staying tomorrow like today. Rainy. That was my fart app. The fart app always saying the truth, man. Just kidding. I was 15 seconds actually playing with the P24. Did I pimp that up? No. Why? I just was driving it then. Huh? Sorry. Oh, I'm tired. Hungry, tired. My laundry's done. Made it by myself with the hand. Because it just was get fun with it. Nothing actually precared on the food. My weight is actually lowered down by 2.5 kilograms the last 2 days. I'm hungry as shit, of course. Here we go. So I didn't do. I just was driving it. Huh? Say so. Weird. Or Sterling. Well, it starts up again. Yeah. Sam on a cell phone ride. I have 3 cell phone aids. These, you know, the 2 are really actually shouldn't be care on itself to connect each other, right? It would go good. So I lost actually my Yahoo account on the Japan side, and the code Japan, because the foreigner actually not allowed actually more for them to get into this news and all this stuff. For having an account with the code Japan Yahoo. Yeah, how that's just saying that actually. Yahoo. Yahoo. So I lost my Google account after a long time. My old cell phone has not actually connected to the used Google account, so I still can actually pick up all my cell phone numbers from the construction work private, and so also on the PlayStation friends that I was getting. This is a long list, 300 contacts, you know. I don't know how to actually move that on my new cell phone and my older cell phone. It's the same versions, you know, these V10. So what the fuck? It's got problems with this shit. Just want to actually get in my contacts in the new cell phones and my older one, and can't do it over Google because it don't synchronize itself. If you have one contact extra and there's a new cell phone or old one, but not the oldest one, it don't wants to synchronize, or it just overwrites it. I'm not sure. That's so seriously I'm not going to work with 2 cell phones, right? I not even have one in my pocket. It's always in my backpack. Because bullshit falls into actually some material and you're not can clean it up. What kind of talking here about 400 euros, right? This crack. It's not even worth a fucking whole week to work on. Yeah. Sometimes you need having, you know, want to eat something or something that's crack. And I'm not paying for a cell phone and letting my food away or something that's crack. Shit on this cell phone, shit on this technology, shit on everything that's crack, shit on going to landing on the moon shit again. Yourself with this crack. And Mr. Musk is something about, oh, you're going with the galaxy. Well, what is actually, I'm not sure about the Chinese trying to do as well, first as the American, doing some base in the air, you know, some over to heaven or something, yeah, out of Earth or something, trying to do a super base or something, mate. Fuck off, dude. They're just making this up and want to do that because actually, if you're watching China, how lousy they're looking about this geometric right now, how fucking around with the water supply, with the plants and all this fabric actually out there, and they just destroying actually the water and every supply of crack, you know. They just want to get away from Earth, or just actually want to go to Europe and destroy this part before actually the interstellar base or something actually done. You know, that's maybe his plan, you know, to get away from China because it's so actually contaminated or something. Biohazard crack and they can't even live right now anymore. It's so bullshit. Bullshit, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. We have proof version of that already. Just buy and drive. Alright, we're starting anew. I'll just give a fuck and just make this up. Run my earplugs, goddammit. I'm talking and talking and talking and talking. Oh, that's diarrhea. Greetings. Meine neue Schang mit denen, ob da wirklich was flüssig drin ist, oder? Oh, your cell phone connected to that. Here we go. Locked it. Oh. Jetzt manchmal jetzt automatisch aus mit den kalten Earstäpsel. Earstäpsel. Das wäre der Scheiße hier schon wieder, der Gruselgesicht da. Ich glaube, du brauchst immer eine komplette Operation. Ich will mir gleich mal einen Hals durchschneiden. Auf jeden Fall von vorne anfangen. Hallo? Ich höre mich schon wieder selber zweifach. Was ist denn hier schon wieder? Right. Tschüss ab Campana Straw, wir sind so Goldbrust oder die schnell gespielt. Was hat er gesagt? Ah, na Gott. Ich höre mich wirklich zweimal. Warte mal. Kennst du wieder meine Ohrstöpsel nicht? Ja, ist kein Wunder, weil das Bluetooth nicht an ist. Jetzt. Ich glaube, so laut, dass der Dorn reißt. Ah, now it's better. Cheers up. Yeah, here we go. Thank you. Cheers up. Where I was? Cheers up, Campina Straw. Wir sind Gold, brauchst du die schnell gespielt. Oh, jetzt geht's wieder los mit dem Stuhl. Ah, that's weird, right? Guy, but Mac actually is, in this account on DevNation CB, actually a little bit smaller than actually on my DjVolgin account. Oh well, cheers up. Oh, it's just cold. It's fucking cold. Can't even drink it. Holy shit. Oh. Holy shit. Gone by the mouse. Może jemand Kummer. shit. I didn't watch the end actually by the 50k. I was so close. Fucking crack. I was so fascinated about the light. Sometimes these light is not actually just a bulb or something, it's just making one light direction, like white color and yellow, but it's making red, blue and all these stuff. And I was watching all the times and the shimmer. I didn't watch actually the points anymore. Oh well, that's a 49-100, shoot myself. Wir sind hell hier, was ist denn hier los eigentlich? Ich glaub, der Horskacke. Muss reparieren. Seit 170. So good at nose das hier noch. Lauf. Oh, that's much better. I don't do so much. Okay, dann mit Nasenbus-Haltestelle oder was? Da wird schon mal 60-jährig. Ob du schon das 4. Mal verpasst hat, oder?
Ja, mei, jetzt bin ich wieder eingeschlafen.
Die sind ja nicht schon gehalten nach 8 Stunden.
Ich hab alles mein Sohn eingepackt.
Ja, hoffentlich hat die Demenztabletten. So kann es morgen noch da, wenn der Sanker kommt. So kann es morgen noch da, bis der Sanker kommt. Aber, wissen Sie, ich bin ja nicht so zu einer. Ich dürfen aber gleich auch. Scheiße, dass ich einfach irgendwo der Pump hocke und ich gerade jetzt eigentlich die. Sagt man da die Bundesstraße kennen, oder?
Ja, wie ist denn das Seewarte herkommen?
Ja, mei. Ich hab meinen Arbeitskollegen aussteigen lassen. Gott, Schnauze voll. Zufall, ne. Die Scheißen, hat er gesagt. Was ist denn der gesagt überhaupt? What the hell? Where's that R.I.P? R7? R.I.P, 12 minutes. Oops. I didn't was driving that online? Oops. So it's gotta be a com?
Hold on a second, my shoulder just a little bit itchy.
Yes, I was still in the shower. But it's the plastic t-shirt from America. Actually, it's not from America, right? It's actually from China. Or Philippines. No, wherever. India, maybe. I'm not sure anymore. Something for the years. Maybe also for the girls.
URL.
For the girls. For the girls. URL. Up your ass. No, hold on. Under your lousy ass. Okay, here we go. So the boom is missing here. A little bit louder here. A little bit louder there. Little tequila in here. Little present actually for Guyver Mac. Cheers up, mate. Cheers up, Nitro Bat. Nitro Bat. Oh, was ist das für Wasser gewöhnt schon wieder, oder? Oder da wieder eingesucht oder so. Ja, das war schon was. pretty close actually to pressing through the pedal with the metal. Now this case. That's exactly the points what I'm missing out for the last one. 1461 or something. But twin actually 50k. I reached lesser XP points somehow in here. Oh, weird. See the car itself. I'm gonna go online with it or not. What's in the back of the cabin? What the stuff, yeah. What the hell is that? Yeah, that's okay, but what the hell is the other one? Let's get a little viral. This cracking done with this face dude. Died. Beer mixed with blood. Chased now. Oh hell no! I can't speak it out. It's happening all the time. The music's so loud, everything's loud. I can't hear you. Hell no! It's a full crack. It's klar. Dull here, dull there. Made for speed. It's not made for speed. It's CarX. Same home, bro.
It's CarX D.R.O 2017, dat game, not an FS, heat. Dang it, Ejay.
Yo, so let's check out the car, what's going on in here. the spray something on. I didn't want it to know. Isn't downloaded one actually for my other one. Now I get it. Why would it happen in here? It doesn't matter for that one. What the hell I'm doing with this guy? Gosh! Oh yeah, that's why I did that. But what was it? It's a turbocharger, right? So what happened in the other position here? No. Something? Okay, it's in here, it's in there. Something's wrong. I mean, that is not only the turbocharger. What did I do wrong? It's all in here. What happened if I was just doing it over there as well? Ah, okay. Ah, it works. Okay, that looks good. That one as well. And that was that one. Here we go. But what's that behind? That's not the turbocharger itself only. What the hell is going on there? What did I do wrong in there? Oh, there's the turbocharger, right? Ah, now I know what that is. It is the turbocharger's thing. Oh, okay. Shoot. Okay. Ja, da wird er in die falsche Richtung schauen. Das schaut dann auch scheiße aus. Yeah, that's why I just did that. Now I got it. I just want to change something here. Why is the yellow one up? And the other side is... It's the same. Oh, sorry. Idea's not bad, right? Sun that's missing, like always. I'm not sure what the spot is about to do. Sure don't want. Not sure about that crack, mate. Oh, wonderful. I just deleted something I didn't want to do. Fucking crap. Shit. No, I just deleted something I didn't want to do. Oh, fucking hell. It's always so much work. I don't want effort actually anymore. After actually 3 years and 3 accounts, I have so much enough now. It pisses me only off. Where was that sign again? Oh shit, man, I'm lost now. Fuck it, we make it different then. I don't see a difference in here. It's too dark, that's my problem. I'll check it out then. Oh, but there was something else I tried to do. Oh, here we go, maybe that works as well. Hold on. Ah, I can't paint it over that. Ah, no, I got it. That's why I couldn't do that. Ah, dang. Oh, it's a shitty bats ride. Fast. Ja, ist immer schön, wenn keiner zuschaut, ne? Aber wieder mit den Stimmen. Let's go online. Just for fun. Oh, I'm not sure if I should need to go start a shit or something today. Oh, totally forgot something here. Ah, okay. Scheiße, den lassen wir jetzt immer draußen. So. Should on. Dann Röder und dann beim Günther Putz aufräumen bis, was der Teufel war? CarX P3 294. Wie lange läuft das schon? 18:30 123,5 122,5. Oh, es geht wieder mehr da. Es geht wieder mehr dann, ey. Oh, anyway, I need to go to pee. Be right back. Thank you very much for watching a little while. Let's see what's going on in here then. Oh, hell. Hui. Getting colder here. Was nehmen wir da? Da will das Wasser nicht, oder? Ausdrücke. Ausdrücke. nicht da. Machen wir zwar davor. Was sind wir danach noch? Riecht es ein bisschen danach? Jetzt kostet der Peewater, hat er gesagt. Gott, ich schlage auch die Gebäude auf. Die 4 Bier kostet nicht länger, Alter. Boah. Friert mich gleich. So, doch Mensch, Anregungen. Nein, danke, Wiederschauen. BMW only. Huh. EV car meet, boring. H1 is actually not so bad. Let's go a little while in there, huh? Just see what's going on in here. Oh, verschluckt. Oh yeah. Oh, what the hell is happening here? Gas gegeben, jetzt sieht er schon Vollgas nach links rüber. Keine Chance, Alter. ist doch nicht die richtigen Reifen. Irgendwie 2 Grip, ja. Ich weiß nicht, was mit dem Auto los ist. Ich bin keine normale Kurve. Der Kopf liegt im Schwung. Das braucht so lang, bis er da endlich hochfällt. Keine Chance, keine Chance. Mir geht das Saft aus, ich konnte weder links noch rechts lenken. Er will einfach nur geradeaus dann. Scheiße. Er hat keinen Flow, der hängt im 4. Gang drin und er will nicht hoch und runter schalten. Ätzt mich schon wieder an, Alter. Es ätzt mich schon wieder an. Du wirst ausgleiten lassen, das Auto wird gerade. Du wirst der Handbremse ziehen, das Auto das will dann sofort in einer Richtung, wo ich gar nicht hin will. Das ist Katastrophe. Katastrophe. Schon wieder viel zu weit weg. Das ist eine Katastrophe, das Auto. Da blamierst du ja in allen Ecken, Alter. Das wird nichts hernehmen. Selber oder 1943 schon wieder so eine Scheiße. Da habe ich schon verloren, bevor ich angefangen habe, wenn ich gegen jemanden spiele. Kannst du mir die zweite halbe Bier aufmachen. Oh mein. Du hast du verloren, bevor du kommst. Kindercorner? What the hell? toch wat jammer door dat. Oh god, det var där nu. Elektriskt område. Kom op, så går det man. Ich bin raus. Nein, ich will raus hier. Komm, leck mich am Arsch. Fuck on down. It's just a transmission, it's shit. It's always hanging in the third and fourth gear, and if it's just shifting back, you can't get a corner. Can't slide it out like a muscle car or a German exotic or something that's cracked. This is this is bullshit actually, this car. No. This is a terrible mistake. I don't want to have to do with this car. It don't want to slide, it always wants to go directly. If you just want to go in a left or right situation, it goes directly to left or right. And don't slow it actually down. It goes into its transmission is shit. Everything is shit on this car. It feels uncomfortable to drive. Oh gosh. It don't want to slide, it don't want to do nothing. It's always direct too much. Such a beautiful car, but the bullshit car. Something we had to change with this shit. It's undrivable. It's better in here, I'm sure. Keeping it up. Since they changed this fucking UI system, seriously, this pisses me off. Sure about that one, sir. Take it on 88. Okay, man. Okay, got you. Okay, 66. Okay, no better than 96 and 69. Sure, save that for drifting. Oh, just the fuck. Hold on. No, so we have now drift unit and the original if something's going wrong. Let's see again. Try it out first. And then hopefully we come again. Come again soon. Ci auch kein Bein, das ist die Lüse, das Goldbrause, die nicht spielen. Ah. One of the best results ever, 2060. Respect. We have a good setup now. Alright. Let's put it up to get on DjVolgin the same one. Nice one. Oh, keine Ahnung, oder? Sing and get it uploaded actually for me as well. Okay, dude. Just downloaded one. I just gonna have actually myself this one. It's very difficult somehow. Can be uploaded. It's uploaded. Yay! Here we go. It's typically like day and night. Ah, it's actually more power. Wonderful. Download. Oh, look at that from DefRekka. Yeah, I just downloaded something to that. That's completely difficult, dude. Much too stiff. Nothing changed. Perfect. Let's get online again! Yay! Did a great job. Worked actually more than an hour actually on that RX-8 ride. Let's see. If it's better right now to drift. I mean, we won a good record actually in H-Run, but 26, dude. Can't remember, I just was going over 24 before. And the first corner I thought, no, this car makes maybe 18 or something, and that's even maximum. But 26, dude. That's amazing. Oh, little tequila. Worse for the heart and the wings. It's the same shit. It's the car itself. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do like this. But it don't fucks up actually. That's okay. Changed a bit. I can actually do that. Oh, definitely, dude. It's just if I'm hand braking, it's not possible that to do. It's definitely a hardcore car to do actually the clipping point. Definitely. Oh my gosh, where I'm going. gerade noch rumgerissen, oder? Gerade noch rumgerissen. Oh, leck mir was. This car is very challenging. Promise, that car is very challenging. This is brutal. It's not a beginner car. Ah, gibt's ja kein B, ne? Nee. Was gibt's denn hier? Small, Orange, wie viel? Small, bitte 1. Scheiße drauf. Danke für die Spirituose. Ja, leid, was ist denn? Meine Herrschaften, dann auf Holzeit selber. Rumpelig rumfahren. Oh, keine Ahnung. Schauen wir einfach mal. Das zweite Bier nochmal auf. Eigentlich schon der 9. heute. Ich fühle mich gechillt. Ja. Yeah, new record, dude. 'To go. I'm hungry. What do you want to do today? I don't know. There's a lot of options, but tomorrow there's only one shit house at 12 o'clock. We can go on the construction side when we go to the second construction area. I'll be right back. Need to go to pee. Grabbing me some beers. 20 seconds left. Beers. 17 seconds left. Ja, mei. Good side. Wir versuchen ganz normal eigentlich durchzufahren. Minute left. Show your live on mode. Bruh. There's a lot of minutes left, dude. Dropped it 2 times, dude. I don't get points. Okay, that's new. That's weird. Hello? 0 points? Big question sign. What the fuck was that, dude? I was on toilet, peeing off, grabbed me 2 beers, came in on. Still a lot of seconds left after I just finished in here, 0 points. Is it because I was waiting too much? Because I was peeing? Man, human rights, wherever you are. Tadaimasu, by the way. I'm not waiting for that guy, he's standing just around. Just doing nothing. Ah, crack, man. Just have campaign och vad vi du så du ska bra till next game. Handkerchief here, tissue. And no, this is not Need for Speed Heat. YouTube don't likes to have the game title in like CarX Drift Racing Online anymore. Has other titles on CarX, but not the original from 2017 out anymore. Since 2 weeks now, they deleted it again on the game list, the game title on YouTube, and I'm very angry. Seriously, very angry. Fucking nosebleed. sometimes it's not working, mate. Oh crap, this game. Fuck. My record is 41k right now. That's okay. Or handleable. But the car, seriously, by itself, it is for professionals, not for actually beginners. I have a lot of problems by actually set up the car for clipping points, for drifting, for tandem. It's a crap car somehow. I like it very much in real life. I don't know, it has a lot of problems. A weak engine. I can't slide it around in corners like a half moon or something. This crap. It is always so hard responsible. I don't know. I have a lot of problems with it, and that's actually over close to 2 years now. Completely over DefRekka account, DjVolgin account, and now DevNation CB account. A lot of problems. It has somehow too much grip. It finds too much grip. Must be a front engine, not a middle engine or a back engine. I mean, not a back engine. I mean, actually, the gear shifting strap. That doesn't matter anyway. I'm so frustrated. I changed the vinyls, the ROP on myself. Changed a lot of it from DefRekka account to DjVolgin account. And actually from that to DevNation CB account today for 1 hour long. I changed colors and all these stuff. Also, I changed the complete engine suspension, and that's in an hour. That was a complete... It works a bit, definitely. Has an 18% actually plus on everything. Yes, it works. I just 41k or 43k it was before. So it works. Oh yeah, and I beat actually Atrons. I beat it all the time. 24k actually on the Atron track record on the single player. Normally it is 22, 21, but I beat it by 26 today with that vehicle after 3 years complete in the game. So it has something. Yes, it is. I changed good. It's so stiff and sometimes it don't want to go in the corner or hold the drift. Here we go, there's my problem. Don't slide. It feels like I'm a car right now, or a simulation car right now. Oh, come on! I slide it in with the handbrake also. Wow, mate, sometimes you can actually ram it into this shit and say, go yourself, this shit car. Pisses me sometimes so much off. No. I give up. After 2 months, 1 watcher I just got now. I have 3 watchers now. After 2 months, 1 watcher. What is this? If you're losing your fucking Google account, you're dead. You're done. You can do 13 years again. You can deal up 13 years again to reach maybe 200 subscribers. No, I'm 50 then at that time. Fuck this shit, mate. I give up this fucking live streaming. I give up this fucking console. Because I'm dealing done actually since my I don't know, 2008 or something. The stupid live streaming. It was fantastic with that DefRekka account, but it's just stolen, just got away. $2,600 videos or something this shit, and 2,071 subscribers in 13 years. And since 18th January, it's just stolen, it's just gone. Not stolen, but actually fucked up. That's why I don't want to play anymore. I don't want to live stream anymore. Fuck live. Shoot yourself and have it. This digital life is a piece of shit. Fucking Silicon Island. doing backup for your cell phone numbers and they do nothing about the backup actually for yourself. Even you send them your passport or something of shit, they don't care. It's just gone after 13 years. Even I was live streaming 10 years long with my own face, with my my you know, and the live camera and stuff, where the skeleton right now is. They didn't care. They don't care. Similarly looking like that, but we have no proof for that shit, so they let you fall. Fuck this fucking 20 terabytes of whatever you did on live streaming. So that's why fuck you, fucking America, about your fucking digital shit life. Helps nothing. Nothing. One time Silicon Island is bombed, America is totally lost. Yeah, it is like that. You can't do nothing. Or maybe you're Chinese actually about this. What's that then? Huawei or something you're using. Maybe you have a chance to find friends' cell phone numbers or something again. But if Silicon Island is just bombed or something, the whole America have a holy motherfucking problem. Yeah, it is so. Well, doesn't matter. And I just was getting actually small problems with these. In Google right now I have 3 cell phones, don't synchronize yourself, even the option is on, everything else. It does nothing. The own cell phone, I just go to construction work and save something number down for the concrete work, for the concrete company or something. The other cell phone don't care. Has it not in there. Something like that, you know. This is bullshit. This is so fucked up, mate. Life is already done. The atom war is starting up. They should do that. I don't care about this shit anymore. If you starting up your work actually with 6 years old and this stuff, and you have to work actually until 70 years or something in Germany, fuck it off, man. Maximum on 50 and then I'm dead anyway. And nobody says thank you to you, so fuck the world. Alright, whatever. Life sucks and stinks right now. Thanks anyway to Russia. Yay! Assholes. The biggest one of these, of course. Territorial problem crack, you know. Assholes. They have a lot of money. Sending young soldiers to die. Whatever. Shit to bomb the whole world and everybody says, oh god thanks, we can start somewhere new, some 2,000 years then, when the extraterrestrial will giving us a seat on Earth again for humanity. But I think first the dinosaurs are coming, right? Yeah, first the dinosaurs make this up, so the whole world will recover something in 5,000 years ago. Again, you know. What we got in here? Test drive? Oh, test drive. I'm just kidding. I lived enough through you. It's just, I was at army, I was in jail, I was so many actually going through with my life. If I'm dying, I just have a pistol here, I just want to shoot myself actually every fucking second. Just to get away from this world, it makes no sense. Want to have a license drive, want to have a girlfriend, want to do maybe a family. As a construction worker, you know how many money you have to spend, more than $10 million to have to decide to actually, in Germany, to build up a house, having children, having a car, all this shit, you know. Need $10 million for that shit. Until you are 60 years old. What the fuck, dude? And we're getting lesser money on the construction work. And the food is grown up with the hell, yeah, with the money, of course. It is already actually World War I or II or something, you know. Inflation or some this crack. Fuck this crap, man. God thanks, I'm a helper dude, I'm helping out wherever I want to call, I can do actually. Instead, if I'm not a helper dude and when I wake up or something helps somebody else, single ones on the construction side, fuck my life, man. Not be there anymore. I'm old enough to say actually I'm over actually 7 years now. Too much. As I was 20, I was saying hopefully I'm dying with 30. Now I'm 36 and growing the next week or something actually to 37. Why should I do actually doing a family? Like, okay, if you're just doing a family in the next years or something, the atom bomb is coming down. What kind of a feeling do you have in this time? Nothing anymore. Fuck it. Live alone. Talk to yourself. Just do a live stream. But they stole it, you know? America stole actually my live stream stuff anyway on the Google account. So since 18, or better say it was at 20 January, I started a new Google account. What the fuck, dude? Only because the Japanese were saying actually my Google account was a Japanese account, right? On Yahoo, code Japanese. And they don't like foreigners anymore. And so I just get fucked up. I lost everything on Google. And that last year I talked actually to construction worker, made that happen. And so, I don't know. They just did it, executed it actually in 18 January. And so I lost everything on YouTube. 13 years for nothing. Why should I build up something? It takes 20 years to having, in this time, I'm not drinking alcohol anymore, but I'm not living anymore in this time. It's so senseless right now for me. The decision actually that I was saying actually shoot yourself or just kill yourself. But every day I'm waking up in the morning time, I say to myself, hey, let's go to work. We have to help. And we talked last day what we have to do this next day and stuff, you know. I have my tools, my own tools, all the stuff. I have myself, everything, and I have to do a lot of jobs actually done in the compound as well, the construction work. So I have a lot of work. I'm not sure where I'm standing. I'm just actually dust. Even to my boss or something. He respects what I'm doing on the compound, I know. But for the future for myself, I'm just, if you don't have father and mother or something else, only have my two uncles and my grandmother and that's it, so. You know, you're finding all the times of the idea, I'm useless. But I'm not useless because I grew up actually. Started up my work with 6 years. It's always helped to use on the farmerhood, right? So that's why I'm at the construction work. There's always help to use. Always a people to use to before actually to help out. You know, the condition what we have right now in our company here in the construction work, every man is actually needed. Yeah. That's construction work, like the farmhood as well. God, thanks, I just not in the fucking biro or something. Sitting my ass for some asshole actually around and just doing documents or something. That's why I understand these office guys and girls actually to kill his boss, you know, in the office. Every day. Not himself. No. The boss itself. That's on the construction work. It's like, I don't want to kill my boss. I just want to kill myself. Because I'm useless or something in these days or something, you know. Yeah, that's difficult. But as I'm a single since my whole life, bureaucratic, I hate as well. I can handle it, but there's so many in Germany, especially in Germany, you have to do so many documents before you're doing your document with the picture, with your actually enjoyment of your bills and stuff. You should actually pay for that, but you have to write them so much and explain them and blah blah blah, and this is so pissing me off. Like my tooth, right, that needs to repair, and there's a extra insurance for that you can have. Since a month now I'm calling here and there and just what about actually, they let you in the dark, okay? You just pay every month now $40. They let you actually in the dark how to do and what's going on and how long it takes. And today, a final call actually to them. There was a girl actually on it that was explaining it in a fucking 2 minutes perfectly. And I'm done. I was with the call, half minute in the internet as well, get it done. Perfect. Called more than 8 people actually on that extra insurance for the tooths, better say. It takes I think more than a whole day, and that was only actually 3 minutes with her. Done. You need to actually in Germany find the right person to finally fucking right time. And the mood. Monday not working, Friday not working. Actually, first day you can suck your sucking ass off. Tuesday, it's Tuesday because we have to do something, right? And it's today, Tuesday. Wednesday, tomorrow, forget about it. They're shitting itself for a run. It's boss, they're making wrong decisions or something. I don't know. Talking shit, maybe. I hate Germany for its bureaucratic shit. Definitely. You have a lot of insurance to run. The other things you care about your health, and it takes a year to sometimes. Oh, there's a call and I missed it, right? Welcome to Germany. Pisses me off. A lot of people that can work, don't want to work. It feels like for myself, actually, 35% wants to only study and enjoy his life until 40 years and then decide we want to have a family and be starting up to work. Oh, it's too, you know, aggressive for my body system. I want to chill a little bit more, like I'm going to 60 years. And I'm already dead. I feel inside dead, blowed up. I don't know what I have. My body system is getting fatter and fatter since I'm in the company in here. It's because more than 9 years I'm not bicycling anymore. Just doing these games because I hate my life anyway. Hot depression in Germany, they're talking about that. Yeah, what was that? 16 weeks without smoke and beer. I was in the facility actually kind of saying, okay, we help you out. Every week, one hour you can talk with me. Then it was a half hour the next week. Then it was a 15 minutes to talk. And there was nothing anymore to help yourself. And then saying to you, you can help yourself, you know. And I helped in this same time 187 patients actually to deal with his life in the future. As a patient as well. Oh fuck. In the same time I was doing the VHS actually cinematic, going to the DVD cinematic to living up again. 8 weeks long. And I won a tournament as well. Was heißt ein Federball auf Englisch? Scheiße, I'm not sure. Oh, don't know, sorry for that one. And still I'm here, yeah. That was 2016. We have 2024, right? Dude. That's 8 years ago. Still in the same situation. Germany don't help you, definitely. They want to try, but always having these excuses, you know. Or his stupid politics. Definitely. Stupid politics. Retard fraction of politics. Even fighting each other from the same fraction. Unbelievable. Another 2 years we have to actually getting them. Fucking Germany. Normally, every politic should decide itself. You can work or you won't work or something. Making good decisions? No? You need to go to the wall. We have a special present. We have a eye blind, you know, and you're standing there and be surprised. It's like the Mexican piñata or something. But you don't have to do something. You hold still and we do the surprise for you, right? Like in other countries, it's normal to get actually shot on the wall. And hopefully Germany's waking up for that shit. A lot of people actually need to get actually, you know, getting a piñata or something and hold still. Puta madre. And I woke up in Bavaria actually. I'm originally Bavaria German, by the way. I'm drinking a lot of beer, I like that. Can't get away, my uncle is still the next 1 or 2 years actually a harvester for hops, you know. Growed up with this shit. Cereals with the pigs, chickens. There was a dog he was holding all the times. I can't remember. What the fuck? Yeah, on the pictures there was a dog. But I think I was not born at 1980 or something, or 81, or I don't know. I was a shepherd, but I couldn't remember. Then the 6 years, that was my stepmother, and that's why I was working. Because the stepmother stole you everything, right? So there was only one fly over for my uncle to work with him, eat in the night, going back actually to my father's home. He's never there. Only Sunday he was there. I was going with him actually for the TV production. All these stuff, you know. And so, hey, my father, my mother, well, she's not calling even once me. I have all the times calling actually my I don't know, family it calls. Boring. Let's go. Why is the screens are going dark? Oh, still the controller's working. Company mouse. That vehicle. Oh, that's fun, eh? 507 HP. You know, the biggest part is I give a fuck about money. The first part of me is be friendly. Second part is actually to help out. The third part is money, of course, but you need to pay your bills. Pay your bills. Sorry, music on Spotify is very loud. You have your apartment, you have your insurances, you have your buyings about cigarettes, beer, vegetables. But sometimes I do actually pizza or something. Or just actually being yourself and just giving some sugar in here and there. But, you know, a $2,000 in a month I need. And the rest is like spontaneously actually say, alright, let's drink, have fun. I don't know, live by yourself. Yeah, one times in a year something, I'm masturbating, going to the toilet and shitting myself off. Vomiting maybe every third year. Nosebleed it feels like because my heartbeat is so high. My heartbeat is between 180 to 200 now in normal mode, and the construction work by 240. So the beat is very high. Because I'm smoking cigarettes without filters. Maybe that's why. It's not the beer, the tequila or something. I think it's the tequila. No, not really. Maybe they're doing something wrong in there. Benzol too much in there or something, mixing it up to make it cheaper, but actually expensive in Germany or something. I don't know. But it's a cigarette from Brazil, I think. It's 100% tobacco, and I think that makes the veins actually a little smaller, and that's why my heartbeat is so pushing high and stuff. So normally I'm already dead if I don't have the construction work right. Careful, loud again. I'm gonna drink a bit. Thank you very much for watching nearby. at the right time and just put it up today. Before it actually so empty. And I think in the next month Halloween will appear, right? As a construction worker, the time is running so fast. I'm still in this construction company right now, 11 years now. And I'm still living in the same apartment. It's brutal how fast the work is going on time and the time is running as well. Ich weiß auch kein Fall, ich glaube, so wie verliebt sollte nicht spielen. Seriously? It's already over when I stopped up for myself. I'm getting old. They are moving very slow as well. I need to ask it to my compound friend, my construction friend there. Maybe let's see. Mit Papa-Kreis oder so, ne? Next. I always like to do that. Empty up the lung complete. I normally want to change the car. We've got a good car right now. And I know it. And you again. You again. Oh, these red rock then. That vehicle. Not promoted yet. Goodbye. Resolve. Lol, 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 lol. No, we did actually. Put that off. Then you promoted for the 400k. Oh, somebody's gone now. Why? Because I changed the car? Let me know in the comments then. Man, they don't make comments, don't make likes anymore. They're watching, just gone. Why I'm talking then? This is so unfair, mate. For 20 years, I want to say. Actually, for 15 years, I was so different, man. They came in, they loved. Now you need to go to Twitch actually to get a comment made. YouTube, they make no comments, no likes. They don't, you know, they're just children's. I don't know. That's why I fuck off the online stuff. Just fuck. I don't need internet anymore. Fuck this crap, man. It's unuseful anymore. You want to synchronize your cell phones together? Don't works. That's why internet anymore? Get your cell phone, SIM card, done. Don't need internet. Don't need actually doubly lame as this shit. Just go to bed, go to work, fuck internet. To hold someone that costs you so much energy. Fuck it. Talk for nothing. Yeah, say actually thanks for watching, or just thanks to see something in here, or just give you some advice, or have a question. You know, the child, this generation, actually the 5th generation after myself, they don't make questions, don't likes, not even saying hello anymore. They just give a fuck. You must be actually since 20 years actually popular or something. May you get a hello. That's like fuck yourself, mate. Cat online actually shit. Ja, gibt es mal was irgendwie. Asshole. Keine Punkte, Alter. Das ist hier ein Müllzahl, geschenkt. Interessiert doch eh keine Sau. Wie überhaupt noch online? In den Dreckspiel, Alter, und also die Schnauze voll. Gibst dir so viel Mühe, Alter, und nichts, Alter, nichts hast du. Ist der letzte Dreck, Alter. Ach, leck mich, da brauchst du wieder 2 Stunden, Alter, für den Mist. Ich hab keine Ahnung, was das ist. Soll ich doch bald sterben, Alter. Ich hasse Änderungen, Alter. Ich hasse Änderungen. Deswegen spielen andere wahrscheinlich noch Warcraft, oder wie das heißt. Weil sich nichts ändert. Wenn du auf 800 Spielen unterwegs bist, dann interessiert es keine Sau, was du tust. Ich hätte mit 6 Jahren nach Amerika gehört. Definitiv. Oder wie es mit 12 Jahren. Jo. Da wäre ich was geworden, Alter. Und nicht so ein scheiß Deutschland, Alter. Scheiß beschissenes Drecksdeutschland da. Sollst du draufgehen, Alter. Na, der Arschlöcher. Politik, Alter. Im Arm drin. Keine Sauhälfte. Interessiert doch die einen Scheißdreck, Alter. Da Bitches, Alter. Machen ihren Job, was ja gerade das Parlament entscheidet. Und dann geht's über die scheißverdammten Fraktionen. Und den Bundespräsidenten interessiert das sowieso nicht. Gerade, dass ich noch drin bin. Ja, gerade, dass ich noch drin bin. Oh, ich habe eine Trophäe erhalten. It's delicious. Oh, what happened? I got a trophy, dude. Buy any body kit on 5 different cars. Really? I didn't do something today. Buy any body kit on 5 different... I didn't do something today. I just do some rob... What the f... I didn't do something. This trophy is totally bugged, mate. I didn't change your body kit, mate. I really didn't do today in my live stream changing a body kit and got this delicious shit trophy. 41% got it already by 5 different cars. And I got actually more than 40 cars already doing the dealing done body kits. What kind of a shit trophy is that? "26 cars I have. Change on every car body kit." And they say after 5 different cars, if you're changing the aerodynamic kit, you can handle and having the trophy. Today I get it after 1 year. And come on. More than 20 cars have body kits on it. Perfectly on myself. I just choose for it and I just get the trophy done. I didn't change on my live stream today. Nothing on the body kit. Only the ROB. Better say the renal decals. I just put it on. What kind of a shit is this? This is so bugged, man. On every 2 accounts I have no kilometers. What I was drifting and just driving. This game is totally completed fucked up, mate. I should restart or just get the servers offline, mate. This is so bullshit. So boring, mate. No single player mode with story. Nothing. They don't do nothing anymore. This game is completely reaped. Today we're standing on this car. It's alone, it's alone, it's alone. Ist das so lonely? Also bitte den Scheiß und schon links löschen. So lame, Alter. Meine Ohren tun schon weh. Ja, hätte mal ein Like geben, Alter, weil keiner macht's. Das ist eine Frechheit, Alter. Schauen Sie mal zu und dann. So ein Bullshit, Alter. Macht eure Make-up-YouTubes, Alter. Pacific Hills, ach, this is a bullshit one. Nürburgring is boring. Let's see actually everything in here. Shouldn't drift since more than 800 years now. Can't even actually do my own server. What the fuck is that, mate? I said Petersburg is boring, mate. Now it's 90%. Oh, they changed it somehow. Fucking PC. Let's do actually the console only. The PC is just a bitch ass stupid shit. How we can decide that, mate? It's only actually PlayStation, you know. No. Can't. Can't. This asshole on PC is already there. Oh, particularly shit. 99% actually are assholes from the PC Nation, and I hate them. PC cheaters, faggots. Bleibt da nichts übrig, ne? Das ist scheiße. I'm gonna pee. Grabbing some tequila. Versus you. Oh, yourself and just go away. Oh, look on, man. If you don't can drive your car, just go away from myself, man. Fucking gay hood of Germany. Fucking shit Germans, and just driving American muscles. What kind of an asshole you are? You're in a fucking Japanese road, you have to drive actually German or Japanese cars, not American muscles, mate. So yourself then. Don't cry, don't go to the corner, don't do myself actually a favor and shoot yourself. And let me please one bullet in there, I want to shoot myself as well. Send it to me here in Geisenwald. 85 290. Thank you very much. Chance sage ich dir leider nicht, du Arsch. Lass mich scheißen, Junge. Ich hock grad auf dem Scheißhaus. Ihr seid langweilig, ihr Deutschen. Immer Stress, Stress und schnell und nichts bringt's. Nächsten Tag habt ihr frei, weil ihr keinen lausigen macht. Ja. Es gibt Leute, die leben alleine und haben ihre eigenen Probleme. Oh, kann doch nicht richtig scheiße vor, das deutsche Sauerkraut, oder? Fuck off, mate. That's a shit, mate. You lost your mind, mate. Just kidding. Gott sei Dank weg, oder? Weil der wäre hier der King oder so. Ich mein richtiges Auto rausholen, dann kannst du zusammenpacken, Alter, mit deinem Klumpkorn da. Heute bremsen immer richtig. Der Match schon runter. Scheiße. Von der Seite schaut schon aus wie ein AMG, ne? Aber ist der Spoiler, die Lichter. Oh je. Fehlt schon viel. Okay. Ah, shit. The brakes. Brakes. Donut gesehen. Oh gosh. Weil jetzt habe ich Blutdruck, währenddessen der andere schlafen. Und an einem Tag zweimal wach, weißt du, ich meine. Das Kopfschwimmen soll, das schaffe ich gar nicht, Alter. Das ist was doof. Deutschland ist wieder Deutschland. Komm, mir bitte nicht so, Alter. Was macht ihr die ganze Zeit? Langweil mich nicht rum hier mit einem Scheißkanal. Bei den Kindern muss jeder zuschauen. Ach, die haben doch keinen Plan, was sie überhaupt im Leben erreichen wollen, Alter. Bin ich schon so schlimm, weil ich Single bin, Alter, für immer und ewig. Und sowas, Alter. Wir reden von hier 30 bis 40 Millionen Leute, Alter. Ihre Kinder einfach rauswerfen wie aus dem Fenster und mach irgendwas aus dir. Wenn du dir alles gebrochen hast und verreckt und es überlebt hast, dann wir wollen dich nie wieder sehen. Ah, Deutschland ist so für den Arsch. Schau mal so, schau mal so. Ja, das ist nicht anscheinend. Jetzt noch so ein Zwiebelrennzwirn, aber der Tattoo noch im halben Gesicht reinhauen. Hier da mal über. Ah, 6 Bier müssen drin sein, ne? Aber gut, ich habe noch ein paar, ein bisschen was. Sonst müssen wir jetzt schon wieder nachfüllen. Du Säufer, du. Na schau, jetzt tut wieder gar nichts, jemand. Das heißt, da könnte ich schon wieder glatt rausgehen, Alter. Diese Unzucht aus Deutschland, Alter. Unzucht. rein hier, Karre! Jawohl. Ich gewartet, aber der hat nichts getan die ganze Zeit. Eine Muschi aus Deutschland, Alter. Ja, komm, auf geht's. Nochmal. Dann kannst du es ja besser mit deinem Drecksauto, Alter. Ah, muss ich gleich nochmal schon tun. Auf geht's! Drecks Deutschen, Alter! Nix im Hirn, nix in der Kraft. Ja, fahren wir's ja da durch. Das ist ein Dreckstart. Was für ein Schwuchtelverein, Alter. Freunde, die gehen morgen einfach in der Früh einfach zum Rewe in 6 Stunden. Dann ist fertig. Ach, tut jetzt einfach einen Gefallen. Jetzt, gell? History, Alter. Fucking Germans. We have here a German room, right? And German Priv. What? Your e-sport is running off, yo. Having a bad day, eh? Can it be? Pumping nickels. I have no headache actually in my head. No fucking headache. I want to play actually Mortal Kombat 11. Einmal verloren im Busch. Dauert wieder 40 Minuten, bis du da reinkommst. Ne? Du weißt, bevor ich mit dir fahre, Alter, mach ich doch lieber selber. Penner. Soll ich tun? Fick die ins Knie, oder? Scheiß BMW, kannst du so Pfeife rauchen, Junge? Bitch, Alter. Leck mich, Alter. Wieso dämlich seid zu fahren? Definitiv. fuck yourself, mate. I'm out of here. Ich bin nur eine Runde für mich selber und das war's. Schmarrn, oder? Alter, ich konnte immer drücken, Alter. Ja, verpiss dich jetzt. Was ist da los, Alter? Langweilt mich. Das sind nur noch 15, oder? Nein, da kommt wieder keiner. Das sind die typischen Deutschen, Alter. Morgen dann komme ich übernächstes Jahr auch nicht. Da will ich auch keine Nachrichten und so ein Scheiß halt. Scheiß Deutschen, Alter. Sind sogar noch mehr Leute geworden und kein Arschloch kommt hier rein hier, Alter. Birne, nix in der Hose, nix im Arsch, nix in... Naja. Haben eh nichts gelernt. Lauter Studenten. You can't tell me. Math is actually mathematics. So. But that's something in America thinking of math. Oh my god, you got a full backpack of math. Check it. I'm fucking German. Hey Spider-Man, what are you looking at? Is the glasses in this crack? Yeah, But something is missing. The ugly face needs to get covered. Oh, you're not ugly, mate. But something needs to get covered then for being Spider-Man. I know. Good time to joke. I'm from Germany, by the way. Bavarian! So what about nearby? Nothing against, but this is wrong. Enjoy the fart that I just gave. I'm so sorry. Be useful, new. We only need friends.
Why Wynekton, Nix Lows Aber Ich will bring any Nacht MIT Nuts Lows.
Die Schnauze voll mit euch. 5000 ist mir zu wenig. Das schaffe ich in 10 Rennen, Alter. Im Single-Modus. Nutzloser Scheiß, Alter. Online-Modus ist so für ein Arsch, Alter. Die Schnauze voll. Try and actually Mortal Kombat 11, be right back. Thank you very much to have you guys. It's 21:46 here right now. Have a nice time. Thank you very much for actually not watching. No commentary, no likes. Bye bye, assholes.